Hi everybody. So JLo is complete. I went ahead and made a quick video to show it off from the beginning to the end, with the end having also a video on there. The computer case was a lot of fun to work with. It didn't take me long to put it together, thankfully, because of all the space that's on there. But just to recap on the computer that we named JLo, the biggest things that it had on it, when it comes to the components of it, was the Asus Prime Z490, a motherboard, had the 10900K for the CPU, G-Skill Trident Z Royal at 64 gigabytes at 3000 megahertz. Had the Asus ROC Strix RTX 3080, so that really brought it together. I played it a couple games on it, and I mean, it's smooth. They had no issues running frame rates up into the 140, 180 at 1080p, and that's that. I had everything maxed out, had no problems whatsoever. So really happy with how it turned out. Really excited. You can see at the bottom screen here that everything else that's on there. But like I said, it was an awesome build. I'm so happy that my friend allowed me to do it for him. And like I said, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. That's attached to this, as much as I like building it, and I can't wait to give it to him and he starts using it for everything that he's got going on. So again, hopefully you guys enjoy the video that's coming up. video, and I hope my friend is going to enjoy his new computer. Again, thanks everybody for watching and taking the time out. Really do appreciate it, and you guys have a good night.